Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable penalty abatement request using IRS online forms, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, access the IRS official website at www.irs.gov. Navigate to the Forms and Instructions section located in the main menu. Look for the search bar and type Penalty Abatement Request. Select the appropriate link for Form 843, Claim for Refund and Request for Abatement. Review the instructions provided on the screen to understand the eligibility criteria. Download Form 843 by clicking on the link. Open the downloaded form to fill it out. In Part 1, provide your personal information including name, address, and social security number. In Part 2, specify the type of penalty you're requesting to have abated. In the next section, explain the reason for your penalty abatement request. Be detailed and clear to ensure the IRS understands your situation. Attach any supporting documents that justify your request. Once the form is completed, save it to your computer. Next, return to the IRS website to find the Submit section for Form 843. Check for the option to submit electronically or print to mail. If submitting electronically, follow the prompts to upload your form and documents. If mailing, print the form and attach supporting documents as needed. Double-check all information for accuracy before sending. Mail the completed form and attachments to the address specified in the instructions. Keep a copy of your completed form and any documents for your records. Monitor your mailbox for a response from the IRS regarding your request. It may take several weeks to receive confirmation about the status of your penalty abatement request. Stay organized and note any reference numbers or confirmation details you receive from the IRS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.